I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I... And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Case that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into... Be a little tough, I just need to